How to become a successful entrepreneur. All dreamers out there who believe in turning their dreams into reality, everything is possible. I want to share my journey from a Bulgarian village girl having just £500 in my pocket to building a thriving cleaning business with a turnover of £1.5 million. At 27 years old, I found myself being bullied and treated poorly at work. I knew I deserved much better, so I made the brave decision to escape to the UK. It was a leap of faith, but I was determined to create a better future for myself and my little daughter. I started my journey as a bartender and I started learning basic English while working hard for 18 hours a day just to make £30 for survival. It was tough, but I never lost hope. Looking back now, I realized that all my achievements were the result of hard work and a firm determination. I wanted to build a better future for my daughter, and today I couldn't be proud of her. The message is for all you young people out there who dream of financial freedom. I'm living proof that everything and anything is possible. So, dream big.